Hello friends, good morning. Myself Reema. Today topic is joins. We are about to start joins. Is an important topic in MySQL for data extraction. So if you have multiple tables, if you have number of tables and you have to extract some data, some information from there, how to extract the data, how we can get some information from multiple tables. So by using of joins, we can get information from there. So for using of join, we should know set operations. What are set operations? Maybe if you are familiar, what are set operations? Who has a background of mathematics? There are some set operations used in MySQL, which are union, intersection, and difference. What is union in set theory? If there are two sets A and B which have elements, A have elements 2, 4, 6, 8 and B have elements 2, 3, 5, 7. What will be the A union B? A union B, union operator combine all the elements from both the set. Then it will have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But you can notice that it's not repeating any element. 2 are 2 times here and there. This curly bracket should be here, not here. Then A is this one set and B is this one set. Then A union B will be this. So union combine the elements of both the sets. These rules will be applicable when we use join. Similarly, come to the next one, set operation A intersection B. Intersection determine the value which is common in both the elements, in both the set. So intersection A intersection B, we denote by this and it will be equal to what is the common in both? It's 2 and 5. Then it's 2 and 5. So next one is difference. Difference will create the output if we differentiate A minus B. If we difference the element of A by B, what will be left? There are elements. Here is not 5, so 5 will not be there. So here is the element A minus B. What are the common elements? 2. If we differentiate A minus B, if we will differentiate B to A, then we will minus the 2 and we will have all other elements, which is 4, 6, 8. So this is the basic use of set operation in joins, which is union, intersection and difference. Union combine all the elements, intersection have common elements and difference have the elements which are present in A but not in B. So I guess you understand the set operation. Now if we are nearby a festival in our college, we are organizing a festival where we have multiple stages, where we have multiple dance and song performances. So what we need to do, how to organize this. First, we need to we have multiple performance at multiple stages. So we have to arrange the order. At what timing, what the performances. In stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, then all this data, if we have a record of some performance in some event, how to extract the data, at what time was the performance, what was the song, what was the dance, what is this, what is that. So for such type of information gathering, if we are having any telecommunication data, which one customers are repeated in which region, where, what was the common which are retained, what was the common which are not retaining, which are churn customer in our company. So basically use of this for extraction of such kind of information, where we have a huge data or we have a small data interconnecting with different tables or different segments, then we need to use joins. So Joins are tool in MySQL which can connect, which is used to connect and extract the information from various tables on some common point. See, how to write join, I will tell you in our next class, but at present I am going to tell you what are joins. See, if this is a central fact table and this is connected with multiple facts, multiple tables. Central table have name central fact, another one table have order ID, another one have product ID, another one have product dimension. We are doing this market, and we have customer dimension. So this is a schema. This is a star schema. Star schema is the schema in the format in which we organize the data in our database. So it's a schema where it's a central fact table and the another table is order ID, sorry, order dimension, product dimension, and customer dimension, product ID. So if we want to join, if we want to connect some data from this and this, so we have to write the join, or we can connect it from on some common attribute. Like there is a order key here, and here is also order key. So then whatever join we are going to write, that will be, we can write on this common info. So for first of all writing any type of join between two or multiple tables, there should be something common. There should be something common which is really connecting the tables. After that, we are going to start writing a join. So there are different types of join. Number one, left join. I am going to start a new video about this. Left join is a join which will have entire left table and some common elements from the right table. If there are two tables, left and right. Right join is the join which will connect, which will have all the elements of right table and few which are common with the left one table. Inner join will have common elements of both the tables. Outer join, another one is outer join. Outer join will have all the elements of both the tables like this. See. So friends, I hope you understood what is the basic structure of database of star schema, how to write the query, on what quantity we can write, on what attribute we can write, and what is the set theory. From here onwards, I am going to teach you in my next video. Thank you friends. Thank you so much.